Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unwinding from a very long work week. I have about 10 minutes left in the day, so I'm taking this time to wrap up whatever I'm working on or send any last minute emails. I don't know about y'all, but I do not remember work being this stressful. It seems like every day now there's a new rule or regulation that is enforced that makes a negative impact on our jobs. And don't even get me started on the uncertainty of jobs in general with all the layoffs going on. While I'm so grateful to have a work from home job, I can't ignore the fact that all of this is weighing heavy on my mental. But one thing I did tell myself is that when I clock out for the day, I am no longer allowed to think or do anything pertaining to work until I'm clocked back in. And since it's a Friday night, I'm going to put extra effort into my unwinding routine, just something to help regulate and relax my nervous system. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get dinner started. And usually after work, I do not like to sit down because if I sit down, there's literally no telling when I might get back up. So I have to make myself go straight into the kitchen and get dinner started so that it can be done for the night. I am going to make something quick and easy tonight, which is going to be spicy rigatoni. Spicy rigatoni is one of my favorite comfort foods. I'm already a pasta girl, so this one is definitely high on my list. So I like making it super quick, super easy. I don't do anything special. I just get the basic food ingredients and then I just season it to my liking, and it turns out a 10 out of 10 every single time. So I'm going to go ahead and make that, and then afterwards when I'm done and when I'm eating, that's when I like to sit down and maybe catch up on a show or something like that. Okay, y'all know once I start lighting candles, it's officially time to wind down. I got this candle from TJ Maxx and she smells really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready so I can get in the shower. And first and foremost, we're gonna dry brush. All my girls that are not familiar with dry brushing, I need you to get familiar with it, okay? Especially for us girls that suffer from KP or strawberry skin. This is going to be our best friend. I usually do it 3 to 4 times a week. And honestly, it has so many benefits to it. But the one thing that I notice the most is how smooth and how soft my skin is. And what girl doesn't want smooth, soft skin? I got this brush from Amazon. It was really, really cheap. So I'll link it down below just in case you guys are interested in getting it for yourself. Now that I'm done dry brushing, it's time to jump in the shower, and this is where I really like to take my time and relax. So I'm going to use a few different products, but I really want to show you guys this African net sponge. Y'all, once I started using these, I don't think I'll ever go back to a regular washcloth again. They're just that good. They have a few different benefits, but one thing that I love is how good they lather up any type of soap that you have. I got this from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2 and they're very affordable, but I really recommend these because, like I said, if you like a lot of lather, that's what it's going to give you. And the rest of the products are products that I use all of the time, so I'll just link all of those down below. Now, the Laura Mercier body scrub is not new, but it's not old either. I bought that from TJ Maxx and it was only like $12, y'all. But on the website, I want to say it was going for like $45. I'll have to fact check that and add it on the screen. But I said all that to say, check your local TJ Maxx before you buy all of your high end stuff because you just might find it there for a very affordable price. So after my shower, I always prioritize moisturizing my body because if not, everything I did in the shower will basically go to waste. So y'all know if I like something, I'm going to put y'all on because I am not a gatekeeper, okay? So I absolutely love this Fenty Skin body butter. I have the minis because I bought them in a 3-pack limited edition set. And y'all, these are so good. They come in different scents. I want to say flavors, but they come in different scents. And I love to pair it with the Taraji P. Henson body oil. And I cannot rave about this stuff enough because when I wake up in the morning, it looks like I just moisturized my skin. So I will put this information down below. Some of the scents that I have, they may not have anymore because, like I said, they were limited edition. But if you haven't tried it before, I definitely recommend. Okay, at this point, TJ Maxx just needs to sponsor your girl because a lot of things in this video is from TJ Maxx, including this 3-piece lounge set. And I love getting my lounge sets and my pajamas from TJ Maxx because not only can you find name brand items in there, they're also very affordable. And one thing about me, even if I'm in the house, I'm going to look put together if I can help it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare. I usually do this in the shower, but just for y'all, I'm going to do it now. And y'all, I am so annoyed by these dark marks. I feel like I have good products that fade dark marks, but the problem is preventing the breakouts that cause them. I've seen a dermatologist, but before I start any medication, I really feel like it's my gut health and the things that I eat. As a girl who loves milk, cheese, all things dairy, I really feel like cutting out dairy will help me a lot with my breakouts. So before trying any medication, I'm going to try that first and just be intentional about what I'm putting in my body, because whatever you put in your body is going to show up on the outside. It could be breakouts, it can be weight gain, just all of the things. So I really want to try that first before I start doing anything else. Shout out to Current Body Skin for gifting me this red light therapy mask. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but they did gift it to me so that I can try it out for myself. And I've been loving it. I've only been using it for a couple weeks, but they said the results you can start to see within months of consistent use. So I can't wait to see what the results are going to be. They did give me a discount code just in case if you guys are interested. I will put it down below in the description box. But definitely do your research on red light therapy. It has a lot of benefits, especially for women as we age. So while I let the mask do its thing, sometimes before bed, I like to journal. I have a few different journals, but this one is specifically letters and prayers to God. And I started this journal when I was going through my marriage. And as some of you may know, I am divorced now. And when I look back at those first few pages, I really realized how much of a wreck I was and how broken I was. But it feels good to know, reading through some of these journal entries, how far God has brought me. I have more peace, I have more joy, even in this circumstance, which kind of blows my mind. And another thing that I think about is that this is not even the end. I have faith that life is only going to get better from here. So I'm very excited to see what my future is going to look like. But I did remember a time where I was afraid of what my future was going to look like. But now, since I'm walking with God, I know He has good things coming to me. And I just want to encourage anybody that may be going through anything to sometimes write your prayers down so that you can always go back and look and see what prayers God has already answered. He may not answer each and every one, but it still gives you some faith that He's hearing you and that He loves you and that He wants to do these things for you. Okay, so I know I told you guys I was going to end the night by journaling, but I did forget that I have to put on the rest of my skincare. So that is what I'm doing here. And a few honorable mentions is going to be the Faded Topicals Cream. This is one of the products that I told you guys I know fades dark marks. So that is a staple in my skincare routine. And also, I just started using these Course X eye patches. And while I love putting them on at night, I really like putting them on in the morning and also before I do my makeup, because I keep them in the fridge to keep them cool so that they can really help depuff my under eye. Because if y'all haven't noticed, I have really puffy under eyes, and that is like a slight insecurity for me. So I do any and everything to kind of keep them less puffy. So anyways, after I let these eye patches sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, I take them off and then I put on my moisturizer, and that'll be it for tonight. So I hope you guys really like this video. I hope you find time to kind of steal away to yourself to kind of unwind and relax and get away from the cares of this world. And like always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one.